Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your sales funnels with Leadpages step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Leadpages account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Landing Page button. Choose a template that fits your business needs from the template library. After selecting a template, customize it by clicking on elements you want to edit. Change text by selecting the text box and typing in your new content. To adjust images, click on the image element, then upload a new photo or choose one from your library. Utilize the drag and drop feature to rearrange elements on your page as needed. Next, set up your lead capture form by adding appropriate fields for your audience. Connect your lead capture form to your email marketing service or CRM. Configure the success message that users will see upon form submission. Preview your landing page to ensure everything looks perfect and functions correctly. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your page live. Now, set up your sales funnel by choosing the Sales Funnel option on the dashboard. Follow the prompts to select your landing page as the entry point for your sales funnel. Add subsequent steps to your funnel, such as upsell or thank you pages. Integrate any payment processing options if you're selling products directly from your page. Review your entire funnel setup by testing each step from start to finish. Use analytics tools within Leadpages to monitor performance and conversion rates. Make adjustments to your funnel based on data insights to optimize for better results. Finally, promote your new sales funnel through your preferred marketing channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.